Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making carbon fiber. This part over here, it's already made for the Mitsubishi Eclipse 2G. Here I got the one part that it's been already made. I just have to cut it and it's ready. So let's make one. Alright, so I have my old bumper. I cut this piece. That's how I'm gonna make a copy of this. All right, everybody. So that's pretty much it. This concludes this video. As you can see, the process was pretty straightforward. In this case, I have not applied clear over this. I actually use a Duratec sun shield, and as you see, that thing buffed pretty good. It looks so shiny, and I cut it with 2000 and then I buff it with buffing compound. Can't wait to make some more stuff for the Eclipse and other cars as well. So I'll start like I said, a mini channel regarding the carbon fiber and start doing this stuff more often. Anyway, of course, if you're new, consider subscribing, like it, share, and I'll see you guys next time.